Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the checkpoint tag type and getting tools ready. This determines the method. Use a bright light to confirm if it's a magnetic lock, ink, or cable tie. Once done, lay the garment flat and slide a towel underneath to protect fabric and catches. You should have a strong magnet, small flat screwdriver, pliers, and a bowl for tiny parts. Make sure to work in a well-lit area so you don't force or cut the fabric accidentally. You now focus on disengaging the lock using the method suited to the tag type. For magnetic domes, press a strong magnet over the center while pulling halves apart. The magnet realigns the pins so they release. For pried locks, wedge a flat screwdriver into the seam and lever slowly to open the casing. Be patient and avoid twisting. If it's a cable tie or plastic clip, cut the tie close to the head with pliers, making sure you don't nick the cloth. You finish by cleaning any sticky residue and restoring the garment gently. Dab a cotton swab with rubbing alcohol or adhesive remover on a hidden seam first. Once safe, work outward on the residue. After that, launder according to the care label and air dry to confirm no damage. If ink or a dye packet ruptured, blot immediately, do not rub, and consider professional cleaning if the stain sets. If the tag won't release, stop and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.